Hey folks, the Desert Artist here. I wanted to show you, let me see if I can figure this out. There we go. I wanted to show you something that I had hanging out here, and I figured since I had it out and I had the camera, I might as well take a picture of it. So here's what I've got. I've got this large crystal, okay? As you can see, it's got nice character on the front. It's nicely lined. It's a record keeper. You can see the facets in there, the color of the rainbow. But the main reason I wanted to show you this is because a lot of people don't know how to peyote stitch, and this is a great example on how to peyote stitch, how to start, because starting is the hardest part of doing that. So here we have the end of the crystal, which is to where it will be hung. It will be hung like this and hanging from however you design the bail up here. Now there's a marriage of materials here. You have to marry the string to the crystal, and the way that is done is you wrap your string around and then you put some glue over the top of it. Now you can attach your string of beads around and stitch it as needed. Depending on how you do your stitching, whether you do a wrap stitch and stitch it in every couple ones and go back or whatever, this will give you a good foundation on how to start to bead your crystal. Okay, well there you go. This is the Desert Artist. I'm out of here. You guys have a great day. Look at that. Look at that spanky opal. Yeah. Okay.